Stuck with slow, outdated tech? Meet the Dell XPS 8960. The answer to all your computing woes. Are you tired of lagging systems, endless loading screens, and devices that can't keep up with your ambitions? Whether you're a creative professional juggling massive projects, a gamer craving smooth performance, or a multitasker drowning in open tabs, the frustration is real. But what if you could swap that stress for speed, style, and endless potential? Enter the Dell XPS 8960 desktop, the ultimate solution to modern computing struggles. It's time to leave delays in the dust and step into the fast lane with this high-powered, sleek, and expandable machine. The need for speed, solving performance problems. Imagine slashing load times and multitasking without missing a beat. Powered by the 14th Gen Intel Core i7-14700 processor and 16GB DDR5 RAM, the XPS 8960 is built to handle demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. It offers a 1TB SSD for lightning-fast storage, ensuring you never run out of space or patience. Say goodbye to crashes and freezes. This desktop redefines reliability. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or battling online opponents, its cutting-edge performance delivers results faster than ever. Graphics that push boundaries, a visual revolution. If visuals are your game, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics will blow you away. From jaw-dropping realism in video games to seamless rendering for creative applications, this GPU is built for brilliance. Experience smooth frame rates, high resolutions, and AI-enhanced effects that bring content to life. Perfect for creators and gamers alike, it turns every screen into a masterpiece. With dedicated 8GB GDDR6 memory, the XPS 8960 doesn't just keep up with cutting-edge visuals, it sets the pace for them. No more growing pains, expandable and future-ready. Tired of replacing desktops every few years? The XPS 8960 is designed to evolve with you. Featuring 2 SSD and 2 HDD slots for storage upgrades and 3 PCIe expansion slots, it offers limitless possibilities for growth. Need more memory? It's ready. New graphics card? No problem. Its spacious chassis and advanced air cooling keep components running cool and quiet, even under heavy loads. Future-proof your setup with a system that's built to grow as your needs do, because today's cutting edge shouldn't be tomorrow's obsolete. Affordable brilliance, save time, money, and energy. Why spend more for less when you can have it all? The Dell XPS 8960 delivers high-end performance without the sky-high price. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, it boosts productivity with a modern interface and smart tools. Its energy-efficient design reduces power consumption, saving you money in the long run. Plus, with Dell's commitment to sustainability, it's a choice that's kind to both your wallet and the planet. Durable, dependable, and future-proof, this is an investment that pays for itself over and over again. Get ready to upgrade your world.